Alright, so looking at the snow from inside my apartment with a glass door preventing me from seeing the actual snow untainted. If we look over here in the corner, we see a snow plower prepared to plow once ready. So this here is in Malden, Massachusetts, at my apartment, Granada Highlands, and this is the storm, the first blizzard of 2015, and the first blizzard that I've ever been in because I am from California. So as you can see, some of the snow is actually from the previous snow. I wouldn't call it a storm, but it was a storm. But this is an actual blizzard that's been blowing ever since this afternoon. So the winds aren't that strong yet, but the flurry, or the snow flurries, have been coming in relentlessly, and for a couple of hours there. Alright, well, more to come later.